Today we are going to be working on business cards to go with your restaurants from last week. And so the requirements to include on your business card are going to be your first and last name, your restaurant name and address. So if you need to make up an address, that's fine. You need to include a phone number. So same thing, you can make it up or use your own. And then a picture or graphic that goes along with it. If you feel like there's something else you want to add, that's fine as well. To make these, we're going to be using Publisher, so I'll go over that here in a minute. And then all of the design choices are up to you. So here is a sample business card, and so if you notice on that, she has a variety of fonts, styles, and sizes, so keep that in mind when you make yours as well. That way it'll just give it a little bit more pizzazz. And so then for Publisher, in the search box there, you want to type in business cards. And then the one that we are looking for is business cards civic design. So then I'll click on that and say create. And so this is a template more, and I want you to be able to design your own. So we will go through and delete all of these elements. And if you want to leave this bottom stripe on there, you can. If you want to get rid of it, that's fine as well. If you decide to keep it and you want to change the color of it, we'll come to page design. And then here in schemes, you have all sorts of different colors that you can choose and find something that maybe goes with your theme. Then we're going to come back to our home tab. And we'll have to use this to insert text boxes to be able to put in your information. So I'll just draw my text box and then type in my name. You could change font, size, all of that. And then you'll probably draw several different text boxes for your different information. Then you can move it where you would like. And so you'll just continue doing that. When you get done, turn this in on Schoology.